Hey folks, welcome back to another episode. Today I got me an iPhone 14 case that I want to try out. As of this recording, the iPhone 14 is actually not out yet, but I do have a dummy phone of it. It looks exactly like an iPhone 14, or at least that's what the rumors are. And I have a case right here, and they want me to try it out on this iPhone 14. So let's go ahead and open it together. This is my first time doing anything iPhone 14, so I'm hoping this will work. There we go. So this is a case right here. Beautiful. This looks very similar to one of my other cases that I have. Got the frost back right here, as you can see. And then got the button has this nice little texture to it. Yeah. So you can definitely feel that your hands is on the button right there. Over here as well. It looks like it's pretty much the same. Let me go ahead and peel this off. Right. And then just show you how this looks. Here we go. Feels like a charm right there. Feels good. Button feels good. Even for a dummy phone, it feels really good. And if you get a white phone, you can actually see the logo in the back right there through the frosted back. All the cutouts is super nice. 3 holes over here and 5 holes over there. All right. Last but not least, you see that how big the cut is on this lightning port right here. Well, it's important right there, because what happens is that when you get yourself a charger that has a thick end to it, the lightning port has a thick end to it. Well, it's gonna this case is gonna be okay, right? It's gonna support it. So that's a good thing about this case. Now, this whole kit right here actually comes with screen protector and also camera lens protector as well. So I'm gonna be able to put the camera lens on here like so, and it's going to protect that. I mean, but you know what? This right here already has a pretty big bump right here. So it's going to protect that lens regardless. 2 screen protector, just in case if, you know, you messed up or it broke on you or whatever, and then 2 installation kit. So yeah, this whole thing comes with the whole caboodle that you can protect your iPhone 14 with. And congratulations, by the way, that you got a brand new latest and greatest Apple. This is the case for you. Full protection for your brand new iPhone. Anyway, that's it for me, guys. I'm out of here. Have a good one. Bye-bye.